It's like a big boat party area. Wanna go down there?
Yeah.
See what's over here? I expected an ending.
Look all the way around? No. Is all fishing boats?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Wanna walk on this side so we can stay at the souvenir?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Is it a clothing store?
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate a day keeps the doctor away.
What are you talking about?
Olga
Where's
fish.
that one?
Folklore.
Everything smells so good.
Yeah, keep walking through like clouds of
Yeah.
perfume or something.
So nice.
This place has a lot higher standard of living than I was expecting.
Yeah.
Look at this funky place. Oh. This is a coffee bar. Bougainvillea Coffee Bar. I feel like it belongs in Bedrock.
So weird. Hard.
National Geographic. I know them.
I miss you guys.
This is like a sushi village. This is not just a restaurant. It's a bird. Happy hour, 2 for 1. And the water looks good.
Oh, it's okay.
He's so big. Oh, he just spit at us. Get out of here, he says. Maybe he's sick. Here we are at Playa de la Estación. Wow. It's a huge beach.
Oh, look at all moving.
My God. It's the biggest turtle I've ever seen.
The one you'll ever see.
It's not a turtle, it's a tortoise. Get out of here, Americans.
We're Canadian.
Oh, I just slipped. That must have hurt. He's gonna hit his jaw. You okay, buddy?
It's gonna take him 6 years to recover from that.
I wonder how fast they can run. Like full speed. You think they could catch up to you?
No.
God, he keeps slipping. He's so clumsy. He's so embarrassed. Every moment is agony. Just kill me, please.
Why have you kept me alive so long?
Oh yeah, he's been alive like 200 years. Almost like dinosaurs.
Yeah.
think I hear a fourth one somewhere. Or is it just his feet echoing?
Just like hinges.
Come on, lay down, buddy. Don't exert yourself. It's no hurry.
It's like a human skull stuck on a.
Yeah, isn't that weird?
a skull.
Looks like the guy from Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a tasty leaf. Oh god, it's so good.
You can't even reach a fresh leaf.
Feeding time.
Sí, pero mira para acá. Ahí.
Mírame.
Pero mírale esa cara.
A ver. Ya.
Climb up.
Mira, sonriendo.
Climb up on the turtle.
Ya.
Ya ven, papi, ven. Papi.
¿Ah?
Sí.
Cuidado, no te la tomes por la boca.
Vas a tocar la boca.
Joshua, cuidado. No.
He's gonna bite you.
Sale, sale de ahí, Joshua.
Sale. Can I grab him? Come here.
Venga, venga, venga.
The turtle looks mad. Alright, he was in defense
Cuidado la
mode.
mano.
We get some action.
Oh, he's getting it on. They are having sex.
Oh, are we just in time or what? It's like the most painful thing I've ever watched.
What I'm talking about. Come on, baby.
Good God. I wonder if they just take a long time.
Well, not much is required of her. She could be taken out.
Come on, let's go again.
She could be faced the wrong way for all I know.
Oh God.
Yeah, right. No, no, Minnie. See, there is no wrong way.
He is done.
Yeah.
Do I have something in my teeth?
I was wondering about all that basil.
Well, look at the way the toes are on their feet. They almost look dinosaurish.
He just looks really fat.
I get fed well.
It's bad. I mean, he doesn't have to.
We got some seals waiting for some dead fish over here in this fish market. That's so cool.
¿Y por dónde me puedo ir? ¿Por aquí? Más grande. Por el secar no es. Ah, por el secar.
Smile, he's like looking at it.
It's not at you.
Don't snot at me.
Hola.
This here is Playa Tortuga on Galapagos Islands. on the Santa Cruz island. That's Tortuga Beach. And I think Tortuga means turtle. But I don't see any turtles. Nice white sand beach. Supposedly surfing is pretty common here, but there's a huge current, so you have to be careful. Ooh, it's cold. Was not expecting that. We got some red crabs here. Everything's either black or like bright red here. Oh, there's a whole bunch of little black guys too. There's probably crabs all by my feet right now. Look out for the wave! Oh no. Oh, he's still hanging on. He's hanging on with his claws. So they have marine iguanas here that can swim. Okay. Oh, they got this guy tagged. Good God.
Can't get closer, it's not dangerous.
It's not? What? There's like 15 iguanas right here. I guess they'll all start spitting at you. What's all this crap all over the rocks? Is that eggs? Is that crab eggs? No idea.
Hi.
Huge ass ray. I can't get here. I'm coming! Oh my God, he's huge! There's two of them! There's two big ass rays fighting! Oh God! Oh God! Wow, that's cool. Yes, God, the shore. Coming up on some more rays. Let's see his little wing. Come on, pop up! Pop up! Damn it, I need my hands. Damn it. Alright. I got you now, Ray. Where'd he go? There he is. Come to Papa. Yep, I think he's attacking. Hey, why am I going this way? No! Come on, seal lion. Grab those fish. Come on, you lazy bastard. Get those fish. Come on. So lazy. There he goes. Get him. There he is, all tuckered out. A long day of chasing fish.
Una lata de cerveza la ponemos al lado.
Yeah.
Como Pedro en casa.
He's so itchy. Scratch his back, David. He's like, come on, David. Scratch my head. Come on, right here.
Qué cansado estoy. Toma.